It's a Gina K day. Stick around to find out what's inside this box. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and welcome to my channel. I have today, just got here, the Gina K release from this month. There was no card kit, so I did pick up a few of the new items and I just wanted to go over them with you. And I did have some extras in there too that I had been keeping my eye out for, and then finally decided to purchase them. Things on my wish list. Alright, let's see. And I didn't get all of the new items, but I did get a few of them. Let's see first. Let me take off my slip. Okay, so first thing, this is the incentive set for this month, and you receive this if you spend over $75 in product, and you get this for free. And so this is a great sentiment set. It has the script and the more block together. We have happy birthday, grateful for you, hello friend, with sympathy, and get well soon. So this is a perfect little collection to have in your stash. Alright, let's see what we have in here. And Gina K has the best shipping packaging ever, I think. The box could be ruined, but everything inside is completely fine. Okay, let's see. Alright. So you are able to purchase, when there's an incentive set, you get that for free, but then they do release a coordinating die set. You do have to pay for that, but this will be great to cut these out. And that will be perfect for cards. And if you don't need the die set, you don't need to get that, but I like to have that option. Alright, this is the All at Once holiday season. So we have Sending Joy, 'Tis the Season, Happy Hanukkah, Peace, Joy, Love, Christmas Wishes, A Little Something, Warm Winter Wishes, Sending Holiday Cheer, and From Our Home to Yours. And you get poinsettia, holly, snowflakes, little foliage. And this goes with the All at Once die. I will link it for you, but basically it's all one thing. So you stamp this whole thing, because this is one stamp, and then the die fits perfectly over the top, and then when you run it through your die cut machine, it will cut you out, what is this, 9 sentiments at once. So it saves a lot of time for you. So I love that this is the second stamp that she has for the All at Once, and I love that. So let's see. Oh, to go along with, this is a little bit of a smaller package, but so I didn't see it. To go along with this, they have new POLY-GLAZE foiling sheets. So this matches with this. So you can use these dies. That's another reason that the dies are great to get. You can use these dies to cut out these foiled sentiments. So what POLY-GLAZE is, if you're not familiar with it, is that these are printed with a very light toner, and you would take a piece of, oh, I just happen to have foil here, like deco foil, or the Gina K fancy foils, and you put it on, whatever you want, cut it out, whatever you want, run it through your laminator, your ink machine. Gina has a fuse machine, but basically you run it through, and then when you get done, you peel off the foil, and then the foil will be left wherever the gray is on there. and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's like the most foolproof foiling you could ever do. So I definitely recommend that. So that you can get to go with all of that. I did not pick up before this cover plate die, and I had my eye on it. This is the basket weave cover plate. So I really wanted this, and I keep imagining this with florals on here, or because you can see through, you could do a really cool piece behind that. So the possibilities are endless with that one. There's a new background stamp, I think they're calling it. Actually, it's not. I don't think it's one piece. Beautiful patterns. Let's see. Let's go this side. Let's see. Oh, it is. It is actually all one piece. So it is a background stamp. So that's cool. It's very, very interesting. And I like this one with the linen look. And we have a little bit of foliage, stripes, and dots. So this could make a very, very cool background. Or you could also, mask this off and just use certain sections of it so you don't have to use it all together. Whatever you like to do. Alright, then we have a couple of new things. This one is called Beautiful Day. And there are matching dies to go with that. And this looks like a layering. Some of it's layering, some of it is just singly, but this would go with this for a layering stamp. So that's awesome. There's a lot of great sentiments in here. Grateful for a friend like you. Thank you. So very sorry. Birthday wishes. I love the font on that. Wishing you peace. Wishing you a beautiful day. And if you like to do the Gina K style silhouette stamping, there's a lot of great images in there for that. You can see that. Let me take it out so maybe we can help the glare, but lights do not like packaging or stamps. My apologies. I love this. I'll probably use this quite a bit on the front of card envelopes. And then we have In the Corner. And these are so fun. These are also great for front of envelope. So I was just trying to think if I have one. I'd made this little pocket envelope. But if you had these stamps, you could put them on the front corner. You could put them on the back flap if you had a more regular style. On the front of your card to kind of frame it up on the edge. Ugh, I love these. And there's so many different kinds and styles here. You have balloons, hearts, happy birthday around the corner, dots, holly, some flowers. So these are great. This would be really good to have both for envelopes and for cards. And then we have some packaging. Then we have, this is so pretty, this is the Winter Rose stencil. And this is a layering stencil. Let's see how many. Okay, we have 4. And you have the leaves and the detail for the leaves. And you have the rose and the detail for the rose. And when you layer them all together, I don't know if you can kind of see through like that. That's what the image ends up looking like. And this is pretty big. This would be good for a whole front of a card, or you could do, Gina just had a video where she used it, you know, a part of it up here and a part over here, and so you could, you know, do multiple on one. This is going to be really pretty. I'm excited to use this one. Alright, so that is my tour of what I got for this most recent release in October 2024. I will list everything that I have here in the description box, and I will also put a general link to the most recent release at Gina K's store. And also the very good news is that because there's a new release, that means that last month's card kit is now broken apart and you can buy the pieces separately. So if there was a piece of it that you really wanted and it had sold out, now you can purchase those items separately. So that is very exciting. Alright, so I think we're all set. My links in the description box, they are affiliate links, which means if you click on them and end up making a purchase, I might make a small commission from that, and that really helps out me and my channel, and I greatly appreciate you shopping through my links. Connect with me over on Facebook. I post videos, cards, and any crafty sales that I come across. Please like and subscribe and all that jazz, and until next time, take care. Hi again. I just wanted to give a brief recap of the Christmas Cheer card kit, which is now available individually. So you can, if you were looking at some of the items in the kit before and you didn't want to purchase the whole kit, now everything is broken up and you can purchase all of the pieces individually, which is awesome. There's a few things not part of the kit, but I just wanted to bring to your attention. This is the Merry Sentiment strips, and these are all individual stamps. It's not like the all-in-one, but these are a special item exclusive to Gina K's website. So I just want to let you know that was there. And then, so this was the incentive stamp for last month. So that's available for purchase now if you missed out, and that's called Folk Art Christmas. And there are matching dies to go with that. This is so sweet. I just love the way that that is designed on there. Alright, and then so the Christmas Cheer kit, this one was jam-packed full of things. The first thing is the Holiday Floral stamp set, and you can get either just the stamp or you can get the bundle, and it has all the dies in there. And then these dies will cut out, there are POLY-GLAZE matching sheets that go with that. And you can either get the POLY-GLAZE that has the florals on it and all the sentiments, or just the sentiments. So, and then here is a the Holiday Floral coloring stencils. So these color in these images. And then the second stamp set that was in there is the Christmas Cheer stamp set, and you can purchase just the stamp set or you can get the bundle, which also has the dies in there. And then there was a layering stencil set, and this is the Modern Poinsettia. And that gives a really cool design when you layer those all up. And then this is now available. This was the free gift bonus item in the kit. And this is the Merry Christmas and Shadow die. And so that's available now. So if you had been interested in any of these pieces and didn't want to get the whole kit, now you can purchase these by themselves. The October release has a lot of great holiday stamp sets, a lot of really cool things going on over there. So make sure that you check out the other designers' sets for this month. And I will put a general link to the new release, so you can go and check out. There's a whole bunch of stuff. There's no card kit, but there is a whole big release of all different designers. So, all right, I think we're all set. Thank you very much. Have a good day.